Hi, this is Mr. Dryout. This is a job that we just are finishing up. I want to show the damage and the placement of the equipment. This is the entrance of the house, hallway. Took off the baseboards. Got a nice hall closet here. Got a dehumidifier in the guest bath, fan. We opened up the kick plates there to get dry air underneath the vanity. Guest bedroom. Got a dehumidifier in here. A couple fans. Removed the carpeting and the pad. In here in the kitchen, we have some fans. Another dehumidifier. We've got the kick plates out from underneath the cabinets to get air under there dry. Behind the refrigerator, we've got another built-in cabinet on the other side. You can see we had some copper piping. It's been replaced and repaired. This is the dining room. Got a dehumidifier, a couple fans. This is the living room. Another dehumidifier. Got an area carpet that we dried. Another fan behind here. And then we have hallway, walk-in closet. Got a fan in there. And this is the master bedroom. Dehumidifier. Another fan. If you ever have water damage or you have a mold problem in your place of business or your home, please call Mr. Dryout, 727-992-4921. Thank you.